Good morning, everyone. So today I have some items that came in finally from the Anna Griffin, like after or during the Create Crop at Home 3 event. I had placed some orders. She was having a warehouse sale at the time, which I guess is like the Create sale, but it was literally said warehouse sale at the top corner and anybody could shop it. And then I had people tell me that's not true. And I'm like, it is true, because I was on there on Thursday before the Create event even began or obviously ended, and the warehouse sale was there. It's just you had to look for it a certain way, right? Which was basically typing in like crop at home, and then those items would pop up. And then once you clicked on the item at the very top of the listing, a lot of companies do this. It'll say like, I don't know, paper crafting, and then like a carrot, and then like dyes and like a carrot, and then like the dye that you chose or whatever. You know what I'm saying? How they kind of like cascades, but at the top it'll just be listed. And if you ever did click on like, let's say the Crop at Home event that was on sale for like $150, the Crop at Home 2, at the very top it would say this Crop at Home 2 warehouse sale. I was like, sweet. I clicked on that, and then it would just open up the whole sale. So I don't think it's a hack, it's just the way it was, you know. So I know some people I think might have gotten upset with me talking about that, or like offended that like it was supposed to be like some kind of secret sale, but it was just there already, guys. The prices were already reflected. You didn't have to click on that to see the price that was reduced. It was just what it was. And then I have some Anna Griffin auto ships from HSN that I don't believe are available yet, but if I show anything that I can link there, it'll be in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. Unfortunately, that's not the case with Anna Griffin. She doesn't offer affiliate relationships with. She just doesn't do it. So maybe one day they will. That would be great. That would be really nice. But so for her site, obviously, you just go to annagriffin.com. But let me see. Okay, so this box arrived and it was huge. Not the ones I'm going to show you right now. These are the auto ships. But I was like, huh, that's interesting, because I was like, well, I ordered another Crop at Home 3 for half the price. I think it was listed for like $250. And just because the papers are gorgeous, everything that's in there is gorgeous. I mean, I could wait for next year. I'm sure she'll have other ones that she'll put on sale for the $150 or whatever. Right now, all the Crop at Home boxes are back to like $4.95, even the old ones. So I'm like, oh, that's interesting. And then I guess she had a little sale on if you want to pre-order the Create 9, which is back at regular price, but she did have for like $3.95 or something like that. But I just, you know, it seems like she doesn't have it pulled together yet, and there's only like an image of like the box, and I really like to see what's in it, guys. I know, even though I love Anna's stuff, and I'll probably still buy the box, but if it's, you know, $50 more or whenever, I'll just do it then if I decide to buy it, because I don't know, especially because during the event, the Crop at Home 3, she had asked like, what kinds of things do you guys want to see in it, or what would you like to, you know, kinds of projects we like to do. So I'm like, well, obviously they haven't planned it out too far, right? So I'm like, I'll just wait and see what's in there. But why did I bring that up? I don't remember. Oh, just I guess that you can order it early if you like still, even now I think it's just a higher price. So I don't think there's any reason to do that anymore. Oh, so this is the Anna Griffin Simply Encouragement Card Making Kit. And, what I was talking about was how big the box was. And so I was like, there's no way there's a Crop at Home 3 in there, but it was. So I guess the box is bigger than I think. And then I just ordered a bunch of like supplies, guys. It's nothing like super to write home about, but I'll show it to you the stuff I ordered during that warehouse sale time. And again, that was weeks ago now, but just arrived a couple days ago. Oh, how pretty. Okay, so in the swap, and I don't know, well, yeah, by this time you'll probably have seen the swap. Well, maybe not. Oh, today, you know what, we're already busy. I was going to release this video and I was going to release another Spellbinders video, but I already released the Spellbinders Club Kit video this morning, so you won't see another Spellbinders video today, probably early tomorrow. With their better press, you guys. Yay, I finally got the go-ahead to use it, you know, to show it here, instead of just Spellbinders, you know, doing the pre-launch. So it is still a pre-launch. It's not going to be available till June 17th, but I'm super excited to show it to you guys. So you'll see that tomorrow. I guess it depends on when you're watching. But anyway, in one of the swaps, somebody had included this flower, and I was like, oh, it's so pretty, but I didn't really know what set it came from because of that black edge, but we have some here. So again, these cards are like shape cards. It's supposed to make some quick cards for you because everything's here. And they do, all the other ones I've received, I love. I think I have I think I have one other one that came in that I didn't even do an unboxing of, did I? We gotta get through that. So anyway, this is, again, the Simply Encouragement Card Making Kit. Sorry, I just put lotion on my hands, so You might see that. Look, I love the soft pink. I think I have other ones that are more like a mauve-y kind of color, and then gold and red. That's really pretty. Little gold flourishes, of course, tons of those. I see some butterflies in there and things like that. You have your 3D adhesive, which is really nice, and this one is on the higher side. It's pretty thick. Toppers with the card bases, and I forget if it makes 12 or 25. Let's see, 3, 6, let's say 12, because if there's 6 on this side, there's probably 6 on, yeah. So 12 cards. Let's look at these. This is really pretty. Honestly, it reminds me of pajamas, doesn't it? Like the stripe and the flowers, I don't know. Kind of pajama-y, a little. And there it is. And then even this paper, oh my gosh. Oh, what is my friend here? I think she said it was like the Eileen collection or Eleanor or something like that. I can't remember because I was like, oh, I have that paper. But I have that paper because I had it in like another card base. I think it was the Shutters set. But I don't have the actual paper that is this paper line. So that's really pretty. Love that she based it on these guys. Look at that. And these are obviously the other ones. And they are blank on the back, and it just says handmade by the blank on the inside. I do get that question a lot of times when people ask about different things. They're like, oh, is that all around, you know, if the image wraps all around. You have your envelopes. We have these card toppers. Yeah, definitely. Oh, funny. Just in the swap. Just recently, so we have a double-sided, but of course, I mean, it's not like die cut, it's probably laser cut, to be honest, but on the back side, it still seems a little rougher to me than like this front side, even though it doesn't have like a, you know how a die kind of curves it doesn't have that, but it just looks nicer on this side, but you know, you can use either side. Like my friends always here leave me tips about running a silicone bone folder over the edge, and it kind of flattens that out. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this one. Love it. I'm gonna have to get my hands on some of this paper pack just alone. So there's that. And over here we have those beautiful flowers. Again, they have like a black edge, which is very interesting. You know, our typical roses. There's like white and pinks. Is what I'm seeing as far as the colorway. Little accents of gray. I love this little topper. That is so cute. And then again, it's about encouragement. I think these are going to be great for all the time. So everyday kind of things. I believe in you. Sending hugs. Believe in yourself. You got this. So a little more contemporary, I think, in some of the sentiments. Sending positive thoughts. Very good. Super happy to have this. Oh, you know what? I was just thinking, I didn't get into the slimline auto ship this last time because I totally overlooked it. But I was able to buy the first iteration without the auto ship, which is such a bummer. But I haven't noticed any of the other slimlines having been listed on HSN, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye out. And there was another slimline auto ship which I already did and completed, but this was another one that began like 2 months ago, so I was really bummed out. But I know right now there's like a Fancy Flourishes slimline die set on HSN that's like $20 or 21, around there, wherever they're charging for those. And but that's one I already have from like the last slimline auto ship, so not the one I'm looking for, but I'll just keep my eyes peeled. Really pretty. And then, you know, just inspo. So we will get to this very soon. I usually wait on these until they're at least listed or somewhere where you can grab it. I'll put that away in a minute. I think this one is just paper. So again, a lot of supplies. Nothing too much to write home about. But let's get this guy open. It has been crazy, you guys. The kids with their year-end stuff. It is. Tomorrow I'm going to go with Miranda to the park near her school. They're gonna walk there, and it's gonna be a 3-hour morning. I was like, oh, I thought real quick, we'll just get there, we'll do a little something. It's gonna be the whole morning. So again, and then we just got off of a concert last night, but we didn't get out until 9:30 at night. I don't know what they're thinking with kids to keep them out that late. And I mean concert like a band concert, you know, symphonic band, jazz band that my son Dorian is in. They had us there for a minute, so I'm a little tired, because for me, I'm usually asleep by 9:30, you guys, so to leave somewhere close to 10, I was like so tired. Luxury matte foil cardstock brights. So this is again an auto ship. They'll bring it to HSN and it'll sell out really fast. That's what happened last time with the pastels and the one before that. So hopefully you can get it. But I'll show you the colors that are in here. It's called Brights. It looks very fall to me, but let's see what we got. Oh, I guess the fall is coming up, huh? We're barely getting into summer. I'm like, oh, the fall's coming right around the corner. Hopefully you can see these colors. But yeah, I think they're pretty for fall, like this purple and that guy and maybe some of these other shades. That is a knockout. I need that. just by itself. It's like a fuchsia hot pink, and it's kind of interesting because you see how shiny these are and shiny these are. This one's a little more matte metallic, and it looks like it's coated. I don't know how to explain it. And so maybe for some of these other fun colors, they have to do a different treatment, but they're very pretty. Loving that blue. So happy to have this. Okay. This is where it starts getting tricky because this box is huge. I'll be right back. Yeah, the box is so huge because they paired obviously the things I ordered along with the another Crop at Home 3, which I already did a whole unboxing of, so I'll link that video if you guys want to check it out. I don't think I need to do it again here. Definitely, I'm gonna have to destash my dies. I have a lot of destashed dies that are brand new that even from the Crop at Home 2, I already have a couple of sets of those because I had bought some of the dies and then it was such a good price I bought the box and then I bought another box. So 2 extra sets of dies I don't need. And then, you know, whenever I have like Diamond Press and they do an auto ship, I always buy the first iteration of the auto ship so I can also get on the auto ship. So I have a lot of first iteration of auto ships to destash. I have a lot of things to destash, obviously. These are just things that are like literally brand new that I need to think about. And very soon, as soon as I'm done with my, what's that thing called? Garage. Clean out, I'll be able to kind of get some of this stuff boxed up and out and then redo whatever I have going on in here in the craft room, and then that will also help me destash. So it's not gonna be anytime soon, but soon enough. But unfortunately this stuff is kind of boring, so sorry. The other stuff I picked up was just like, oh, a new magnetic mat. Let's try that because I hardly ever cut into mine anymore, but I never have bought another set of plates. I have the plates that came with the Empress, and then I bought the extended plates, so I still have the original like magnetic mat, and look how wonky it is. Do you see how bowed out it is? And only the few times I've cut into it is like coming apart already. Actually, what's funny about that is it had a coating I don't think I ever took off, or maybe you're not supposed to because look at it, it's kind of coming off in a weird way. Either way, I'm not a fan of cutting into the mat, but I was like, well, I'll try the new one and see what people are talking about, because a lot of people still say, yeah, it starts falling apart, and other people are like, oh, it's wonderful. So I went ahead and grabbed one. I think it was like $8. I probably should have grabbed more than one, just at that price. But there it is, and so I will have that now to use. The metal shim is stuck to that mat. Well, it's not stuck to it, but it's just on there. What else do I have? It's boring stuff, I'm telling you. What is this? Oh, okay, hold on. I hope. I was just, you know what? I was like, did I buy another set of these? I know I didn't buy another set of the Crop at Home 2, and it says Crop at Home 3. So the whole deal was when this was half price, like during the warehouse sale, that was at the beginning of the month, I guess, of May, or whenever it was that the event was in May, I guess. It was going to be the box at half price plus the instructions, which is nice because she usually charges like $60 for the instructions, or here and there, you know, something about there. The Crop at Home 2 was on sale for $45 from $60, so I did pick that up, and you guys already saw that in another haul. And so this one did say it came with instructions, so they're not in the box, but they are here. And I wish they would. This, I think the only thing I might have commented was like, why don't you, it would be nice, not why don't you, but it would be nice if the printouts were in the Crop at Home box when you first buy it, right? Because why not? But I understand that you can download and all these kinds of things, but like, it's just value added, and I would really appreciate it. So I'm sure a lot of people would. Having said that, their instructions this last time, they changed them like a week out because there were typos or mistakes, basically. So I can see why maybe printing them out wouldn't be like the easiest thing, but just, you know, they would have to plan ahead for that, right? I don't know. I like having this. This is awesome. So this goes to the Crop at Home 3 that I had picked up that is next to me, but I'm not going to open right now, like I said, because I already did a whole unboxing of that, and I'll link that video. But I love having that. So yeah, I mean, that's even better value, I think. What are these? Clear plates? I don't even know why I'm opening this stuff. But I feel like I thought I did order more than one magnetic mat. I'll check on my invoice. It might have been refunded or whatever if they ran out. Or so some new plates. Again, I've never ordered another set of plates just from the first plates that this machine came with, and they've been great. They've been fine. I mean, you can see how many times I cut into this. It's all, look how pretty the new ones are, and it's barely bowed. Like, again, whenever I use my machines, I don't do anything weird. I don't put hot water on these and try to flatten them out. I just use the least amount of pressure to get the job done always. So it seems to work. And that's been the same with Cuttlebug and with any other machine I've ever used. So I know people ask all the time, like, what do you do to keep them straight? Nothing, literally nothing. If I had a trick, I would tell you, I promise you, you know that. Clear plate, 2-pack. Oh, this is the large one. So like I said, I do have an extended plate set, which I hardly have used. I don't even know if I've used it. But I did pick up another set of plates because they were on sale for a good price. So it's good to have a set of plates. Yeah, and then the Crop at Home 3 that's sitting in the box there. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for checking out the swap videos. Everyone just enjoys watching them, the comments, and I hope everyone that participated had a really great time participating. And even as we speak, I probably already have some in the mail, so they should be on their way back to the participants. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll link whatever I can in the description box, and otherwise annagriffin.com is where you can find the Anna items. And I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.